In this lesson, we'll be learning how to conduct calculations in VBA, as well as some basic troubleshooting for when your calculations inevitably go awry. Running calculations inside the module as opposed to within a spreadsheet with formulas is significantly faster, and it's easier to run large-scale operations for multiple cells, sheets, and books in some cases if you find yourself having to build out spreadsheets with multiple formulas and then running calculations in VBA, which would be a huge time saver. Calculations in VBA are relatively straightforward. All mathematical operations are the same as within Excel, and you'll not have to find yourself needing to learn any new symbols. What we want to focus on when learning calculations is how we assign the results of calculations to variables, troubleshooting your calculations, and understanding how to iterate through your calculations to understand where they may be going wrong. Let's take a look at some basic calculations first. Following generally accepted best practices, we will declare our variables and their data types at the beginning of the module. Since we are doing numeric calculations, we only need to use numeric data types. Now we will state the value of our variables, here with assigning num1 as 45 and num2 as 30. We can then assign num3 as the result of the calculation of num1 subtract num2. That's simple, straightforward stuff. Moving on, the variable multiple is the exact same sort of thing. We assign a new variable to be the result of the multiplied product of num1 and num2. Now let's get into calculating troubleshooting content. The debug.print function. Essentially, this function allows you to display the result of whatever you place after this operator in the immediate window, which you can see down below. So why is this useful? Imagine having 50 lines of code. Your result isn't what you're looking for, and now you have to check over each line of code to see where your error is occurring. With the debug.print, you'll be able to display the results of any lines of code that provide you with a value to see if the steps that up until that point are operating correctly. You can use the debug.print to display any type of value, from arrays, numeric variables, to strings, and so on. Use it to make sure that each line of code is functioning properly. The last part of our calculation troubleshooting is the hard stop. You can see it being displayed here with a red dot on the left side. In order to make it a hard stop, simply click on the gray bar where you see the red dot. What a hard stop does is halt the subroutine. You can use this while troubleshooting your code so that you don't have to run through the entire thing. As you can see, this subroutine has been halted. The subroutine can continue running afterwards from this point, but only once you have pressed the play button. Alternatively, if you wish to iterate through each line of code one by one after the hard stop to check to see what results you're getting, you can press F8.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.